At Walden University, get the W. Stand out the minute you start learning industry-valued skills for in-demand careers. Get the W with microcred, certificates, and field experience. Show off your career readiness and mojo before you even graduate. Get the W.
Yo, yo, yo. Mic check, mic check. Yo, chat, why pre? Now hear me loud and clear. I'm gonna reset that chart, yeah. Yo, 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 why pre? Monthly. That's my screen, by the way. My screen never share, bro. I don't know why. The lines are levels them already have markup from yesterday, chat. You see me? First look. First time I look on the chart from when? From yesterday. Feel, hold on, give me a second. Yeah, as I say, some first look on the chart since yesterday. So we're going to take a first look together. So I'm going to switch account real quick. I'm going to trade Derv yesterday. Not Derv, VIX. Learn. I see there. So as I said, chat, we're going to delete the lines, yeah? Get some new levels markup. I don't already know. I always like just take like a look at the monthly time frame. Start from the monthly, but no markup. Just like see what the monthly candle I do. See how long left within like the candle. 2 days. Drop down to weekly. 2 days and 7 hours. We're still bullish. Is this weekly candle going to close bullish? I'm gonna see some chat. We have news. In order for flip bearish, would I need volume? Let me see if we have news. This hour in Friday. Hold on. We have news 26. Thursday. And we have news Friday too. So weekly can go that much, about 600 towards the flip. Yeah. So chat, previous weekly candle close without a top wick. This current weekly candle, like, we might flip bearish. We only got 2 days left though. We need like volume in order for that to happen. We drop down to like a daily time frame. As I can see yesterday we closed bearish. Bearish respecting. Never closed below 86. This current daily candle is still open up at 36. I'll start to push up, print a high. On the 4 hour time frame, this 4 hour candle also have a low. The current one and the previous one. See la chat. Hold on. Give me a second. as I say, this forward candle will print lows chat on the previous candle and the current candle. We'll push down our top 55 and then we'll reject. So this might be enough chat. If price close above, we could look for continuation of buys since we're bullish.
To find out how, get the business guide.
And for
free.
we could look for do that, but we have to like get like more confirmation because what I want to see if like 55 would be enough since price top 55 on previous candle and then we reject. We'll go drop down to like it hourly. I'm not mark up as yet chat, I'm just go over the time frames and like create like an idea and then we get levels mark up with the idea in mind. So we drop down to the hourly time frame. So a lower print. Let me say like the 4-hour candle. Alright, daily candle. Daily candle flip. 35 and the daily candle high. I delete them in a chat. I just use them for like just identify the flip and the daily candle high. Put this closer. Alright, so I flip right there, so R for the down to yeah, so let me see. That I low, alright. So there can go open up, print a low, price push up, reject, push all the way up again, reject, push up, we tap 52 level, push straight down, push back up, get some rejection, print another low again at 58, and then I think this did at the only low where I look on to the previous hourly candle and the current hourly candle lows. Price pop straight back up towards 03, 52, 03. Print a top wick, manage for close bearish back into the range, print a low, and then we'll flip bullish. So basically we're just ranging right now, chat, and like the 4-hour time frame. So usually when price are range, we usually wait for a breakout. Either we break the highs or the lows first. We would avoid the breakout though, we would enter on the breakout. That way for price breakout and see how price react after we break out. Cause it's a high chance price print a fake out. After like a consolidation, we usually get a manipulation. So if the 15 are range chart, if the 15-minute time frame just a range, like would I just wait for price either break the highs or the low? We have the lows at 55 and the highs at 11. So I range are in, you see me? So if price breakout, as I'm say, we're gonna avoid the first breakout. For the buys, we could look for we could wait for a range to breakout if we're going to take buys. Yeah, that would be decent. And we don't have no news, right? What time, by the way? 10:41. We have this yellow folder at the level. None else be there. Seal. But yeah, chat, that's basically the idea. So for sales them though, I would say for sales, we would wait for price like break like 55. Anything below 55, sales going down would have be decent, chat. Since price print these low, print a low I think it's at 58, and we have another low at 55. You would expect this, like if price I go push up, you would expect this should be enough, chat. So price should be able to push up, but if not, and this can go, will like reject, will close back into the range, push straight down, close below 55, then like something like this. Hold on, delete some of them. Any closure up below 55, you'd expect price for like push down. Just wait for a retest and wait for like a range to break out. Look for sales below, yeah, so over cells below, yes, I go down towards the range fill chat. That would have been the sales idea. If you buys them, as I'm say, we wait for a breakout and look for buys above range 2. See la. We'll look for range 2 buys, similar to like what we did yesterday. Here's in my chat. Alright, so that'll be decent. Similar to what we did yesterday. Basically like I got try to identify what type of day it is or what price currently I do at the moment. Here's in my chat. And basically we're ranging right now. Prices in our range from like 55 to 52 level. So would I wait for a breakout?
You might think
How
you need
would
a
I?
team of people and fancy tech skills,
Oh,
but you don't. You just need
say a
GoDaddy
chat. Would I
Arrow.
wait for a break at
I'm
either
won't
the
be
highs or the
arguing with an
lows
actor. I'm an expert
to
in
be
the
able to
mic. I
get
know
some
what I'm
volume after that?
GoDaddy Arrow uses AI to create everything you need to grow a business. It'll make you a unique logo. It'll create a custom website.
Alright, so let me get
It'll
some
write
levels
social posts for
markup
you and
chat.
even set you up with a social media calendar. Get
Now
started
that
at
we have like an idea
GoDaddy.com/arrow. That's
our price could do, we will
GoDaddy.com/ARROW.
just identify the levels them now. So as I'm do every day, first thing we do, we identify like the range the 4-hour time frame is in. When I say the 4 can go in a range from, and I say like can go lows 55, 54, 55, yeah, 51, 55.58. When I say the size support, and we have a resistance at 5210.98. Could I adjust this lower? Nah. Alright chat, so this is the range we're in and the 4-hour time frame. Basically after I get that identify, drop down to like the hourly and make sure like everything aligned. You see my chat, like whenever I get the like the ranges mark up on the 4-hour time frame, drop down to the hourly time frame and make sure it's it good. You see me, because me use all like time frame for like validate like the levels them when we have markup. You see me? So on the hourly, the side lows them so we can adjust this down just a little bit. You see my chat, so put that right there, so. As I'm saying, we would wait if we're gonna look for buys, we would wait for like a breakout, range 2 breakout, not the first one. Because since price in our range right now, the first breakout could easily be a fake out and we'll close back into the range, aka liquidity. So range 2 breakout, as I'm say, price will have a push up breakout, push back down, we would avoid the first breakout, similar to what we did yesterday. Price can manage to print like a fake out, cool. Once we get like a closure back above, this would have been the range 2 breakout, but we would avoid this one right so. You see me? And this would have been like the better one for take. Just like an extra confirmation. Once price retest, we could look for some weekend trade, put buy stop on it can go flip. And this would have been like the idea. The buys and the sells them, we would wait for like 55. Price break 55. This level where we have are these lows where we have right so. Price can push down, break this level. Then we'll look for like sells, we'll start for like sells idea. Here's my chat. I need like a closure below. Wait for like a retest. Basically a top week. And yeah, after we get a top week, we could look for sales. So that are the 2 ideas that we have: sales below 55 and range 2 buys above 5210. Range 2 breakout. So yeah chat, hopefully I understand that. As I'm gonna say, it's similar to yesterday trade. we drop down to like the 30-minute time frame now. Basically, what I look for is like, so since we're bullish, this current 4-hour candle bullish chart, we have a range going up towards 52.10. This is the range we're in. Anything above 52.10, you would consider that a breakout. So since this is the range we're in and the 4-hour candle bullish, we could get buys going up towards the range fill chart. 15, not the 15, this hourly candle also print a lower and then we flip bullish. The buys going up would have been decent, but you know, we need to like figure out how we could get entries going up. So now we go drop down to like a smaller time frame, like the 30 and the 15, 5 minute, 1 minute. But we basically look for like how we could get entries going up towards 09. 30 minute candle, we got 10 minutes left until this close. I'm gonna say a 15 look, same thing. 10 minutes, we close bullish respecting. For the previous 15, we print a highway. There is no resistance level chart. Rebreak at the 15 highs. Drop down to 5. It's also a resistance on 5. So I decided to take, if we could print a high, then price reject and then rebreak the highs, that would have been decent. It seems like, hold on, I'm gonna see the range going up. Measure that. I have a 50 pip range going up towards a weak fill. Hourly candle got 9 minutes until we close. I'm put another level right as a chat. Put a level right as and change the color of this. Because these are the 4-hour levels, so I make that blue. The 4-hour levels are blue. And the smaller time frame them like yellow. As are them most likely I can work with. Break, oh, so I think we're breaking now. Oh, the candle already have a high. 9 minutes left. This candle open by the way 91. Open up, bring the high first, then price push down, push straight back up. Yes, I basically look and see what price could reject from chat. We have a level like 91. Price could easily reject at 91. If we break 91 though, we have another level at 79. Price could easily reject from as well. So one of these two levels. Yeah, I expect price push down, print a low, even like the next hourly candle. If the next hourly candle open up chat, we print a low without like 91, we could look for weekend buys. Or it depends on how price push down though. Depends on how we approach the level. If we not take buys at 91, we look for buys at 79. That would have been decent. Like weekend tree. But we want to see how this 30-minute candle close. Let's see if we can get a bullish closure above the range within 7. 5-minute candle, we came close chat. We never completely tapped 91, we tapped 92 and then we start for reject. Came close though. You have my levels mark up based off of someone set to the left chart. This right here, so This is basically how I got like the 91 levels. You can see price was always able to reject from this level. 91. Sometimes we break 91, of course, but per average, yeah, that's like 51, 91.52. The last time price top we reject, price top again, we reject. This can go top, we break through it, but was able to flip bullish and fill the range still. This can go right here with top 91, we reject. So that's why I expect like 91 to get top, but clearly that never happened. So yeah, GG's. I think that push was like what? This can go still never flip bullish either. It was a 30 pip push. We're just gonna be patient, chat. Active, my bro. Fully active, dog. Today I went, by the way. I always forget the days them, bro. Today I must be Tuesday. No, today I Wednesday. Wednesday. Where I did, Jay, everything good? My market I treated recently. See la. Bro, and I didn't there we can do some VIX trading together, bro. I remember you told me yesterday. They are VIX trade. But yeah, chat. No, we just play the waiting game. We have both idea for buys or sells. We have idea for sells below. Was it below 55? Nah. We have idea for buys above 01. Yeah, and sells below. That's a sells below 72 would that be good? Like the break of this structure, chat. I'm sure no. Price managed to push all the way down, break this, or even the lows. Would I say like once we get closures below here, so we got like clean range going down to at least like this would have been the range fill, because I see we have a bunch of rejection right here. So price start this level reject with top reject. So this would have been like you'd expect this level get top minimum, but price could easily fill the whole entire range. This would have been 55, 51, 55 is basically the 4-hour support. So if we get like a closure below, price push down, fill this range, you'd expect some minor rejection. Most likely we'll look for close pull right here. Basic since that they set to the left. You'd expect some minor rejection, and price could easily like fill the entire range. I'm telling you, this blue line and the 4-hour support, 4-hour resistance. If we look for buys above 01, we look to take buys going up towards the 4-hour resistance. Similar to yesterday, idea. So I'm such a like every day, like the ideas they're similar. As long as they show up, I can just hear the same thing over and over again. No way, I can basically get it once I hear the same thing every day. There's me. Man, is a losing streak. My depend right now, but I will break that by now and later. Losing streak? What you call a losing streak, bro? I'm just curious. When I say a losing streak, like how much losses? Cause for me, like I would say two losses back to back is a losing streak for me. That not really like normal chat. If I see me lose 2 times like back to back, you know something kinda off. It happened before. Like right here, so this was 14 October, November 14 and November 15. This was 2 L's back to back. But barely though, bro. Like you don't really see that often, especially like in my nowadays journal. See it right or so? I'm never saying it happened in a chat. It happened, but rare, bro. That very rare. But what you call a losing streak though? Like how much trade I lose, so? But yeah, for me, two losses in a row is a losing streak for me. I know it's probably different for you. Because of your risk to reward. They don't know how far I'm coming from. They don't know my story. About 3 or 5? Oh. 3 or 5. But bro, the good thing is, bro, your risk to reward, bro. You only need to win once. And that you're back in profit, right? Cause I know your risk to reward, you probably aim for like 1 to 2 minimum. 1 to 3. So if you lose 2 times, one trade should bring you back in profit or even break even minimum. But if me lose 2 times, me probably fuck for the entire week, bro. Why for that still? But it's like when we take this 400 pip L, bro, we're still not recover that as yet. We're doing good, and we're not down. Even though we lost 430 people, still not down. But if I do the calculation, we're still not recover as yet. But it's the thing, I'm not trying to recover my L's, chat. Like I swear upon everything. Whenever I take a loss, I'm not trying to recover it. I'm just trying to like stay consistent. That's my only goal. Just be consistent. And within time, you're gonna come back and look and be like, oh, what the fuck? We freaking met back that we did lose a month ago. But you see me, that I'm a goal. Just for like follow a plan and make sure everything's steady. No huge wild swings in our account. So once you make it steady, just give it like a month. And you're gonna look and you're gonna blow past everything. Time to say chat. Bombo 1 to 5 and 1 to 10. 1 to 5 and 1 to 10. You know, so one of my dog a same way so dog do it. A dog, when me catch it 1 to 8, what day I post it on my gram. I never my trade. And my dog send me a signal. And I say, yo, my dog, enter right there, so. I'm look over a trade and I say, no, this is not a bad entry. So I'm take the entry, cause I never just trade blindly. Give me a signal and I look on it for myself. I enter in our market, bro. When I look, I create a YouTube video. By the time I'm done create the YouTube video, I want TP get slapped already, 1 to 8. But yeah, I'm not really. I'm go for like 1 to 2 and 1 to 3 chat. 1 to 8. 1 to 8 kinda crazy. Possible though. And I did it before, but I think I gonna continue to do that every time. Yeah, bro, if 5 times my money, I close full charge it. If price reject or hit break even, I feel worse than if I did just take the profit. Since I'm freaking more than triple my money. I want to thank them, man, the government, monster millionaire. Bear in mind, chat, we at the resistance. Remember, we at a resistance, so we have to be extra careful. And we're waiting for a range 2 breakout. You see, chat, like price breakout, range 1, and then we basically just start joke around, bro. Cause look, see this a box here on my jaw, chat. This price basically just start range. But if you notice, when we start range after the first breakout, this was the candle that breakout at the range 91. We break that, and after we break that, price just start troll. So that's the reason why I always avoid the first breakout, bro. If we're gonna look for buys, we'll wait for range 2 breakout. Price push up, breakout at range 2, that would be the buys going up for it. Range 2 buys going up towards the wick fill. But yeah, whenever price close above range 1, is a high chance you might get fake out. And price just close back into the range. Look how the 15 close above, sweet. The previous 15, cause the resistance the right side of 15 close above, clean. So why we not push? That's the thing, chat. We wouldn't expect this candle to push, but if we not push, like price basically a print a fake out, then and we might close back into the range, or we might close either weak, bearish. But the point is, we never pop. That's why, as I'm gonna say, that's why I avoid the range 1 breakout. When price break out the first range, that's way the most likely I could print a fake out. But I just textbook 101. And try, you must know what is a fake out. Fake out are basically when price close above. When price close above, and you say, oh, we are push up, we're bullish right now. But instead of the next candle push up, we push down. This is a fake out. Then I pick a 75, one is some miss panigram. Hold on, let me check. Since gold is a range right now. Yes, man, I have a good time. I'm gonna go up on the gram and see. Yeah, Raja Banks, hold on. While I go up on the gram, I see Raja Banks are run down. The Alex dog. Dog have 30% off in 9 chest. I got 30% off crossing chest to pussy. Hold on, I'm gonna go up on it. Go up on the trade. Jaja, look on that stop loss there. You see, that's how I love about VIX, bro. VIX, you don't need a huge stop loss. They can get them just print a small top wick or no top wick. And it just continue straight down. That they clean. So how you miss that though? If you already have it marked up and everything, like you either sleep or something. You never put no sell stop, place a stop loss, place a TP, surprise will just automatically. I don't know. Oh you miss that. I must sleep, I sleep. But bro, I swear that I guess if I'm good at have then crazy week I try. You don't need that but like me never see a week on VIX tall as this one. Never, bro. Probably me just need more VIX experience, but with the experience I may have, me never see a week as tall as this over VIX. Especially for VIX 30. So that I think I like you just make you don't need no huge stop loss. And freaking double your money, triple your money. The man flip their account every day. So they flip their account every day over VIX. That ain't really something where it's like I try for like achieve chat. I rather like be consistent. You see me? But at the same time nothing wrong for like do that every now and then. Like news trading. I don't trade news. But one of these days I will do some news trading. Like put buy stop and sell stop on the news candle and freaking do some news trading, but that risky. You have to like plan for that separate. Like whenever I stream, I just dip on some serious thing. You see me? And if I have a trading news, that would be a whole different trading account, not for my streaming account. These are these some different Jaja dog. No alert, my dog. Nothing. Or you can't set alert on it. I think you can set alert on this though. That would be clean. I think that is like a 1 to 8 or a 1 to 10. No, that up good right now. If I slap that, you know, and I draw down again. So you get that trade there, that be out of draw down. Oh, them now have alert. You know, I never know that, bro. Cause remember, I tell you, a 3 to 4 weeks now since I start trade VIX. I really goal, I really take serious. I just like VIX is like a side gal, you know. Goal, I'm a main chick. Goal, put in serious work on goal and try to stay consistent. When we trade VIX, we go crazy, bro. Y'all see, whenever I start live stream, y'all see the difference with like whenever I'm trading the two, whenever I'm trading gold versus VIX, you're gonna see the difference. Whenever I trade gold, I'm more like strategic with it. Follow my plan. Whenever I trade VIX, I do follow the plan, but we do some crazy shit, bro. Like some freaking. I think of like a stop loss like this chat. When I say crazy, I would I enter a trade and would I have like a small stop loss, something like this. This is what I mean when I say we do crazy stuff on VIX. So much trade when I over VIX. This probably I call too much. But I said so. So much trade when I over VIX. And this, if you ask me, this crazy to me, bro. Guys, more than never do this on goal. Never, bro. In fact, bro, me actually increase my stop loss. Stop loss was 160 pips. In like 2025, towards the ending of 2025, I had 160 pips stop loss checked, and that get increased. Stop loss is now 400 pips on average. So not only more than never trade like that, my stop loss actually increase on gold. And it's not like because more risk more. Like anybody who trade gold can be honest. Gold range is massive. Like a 1 minute candle on gold push over 100 pips. One minute candle is all a freaking 130 pips. So whenever stuff like that happen and the candle them have so much volume, that I will make my stop loss increase. And I like someone lose my money and I want to have a huge stop loss. The range is them bigger. I measure the range. This is 100 pip range, chat. But then this would have be a 50 pip range back then, bro. Now this small 30-minute range is 100 pips. Remember back then a daily candle on average was 150 pips. The whole entire daily candle. Now one daily candle is the 30 pip range. You get what I'm trying to say? So if a range increase, that make your stops increase. Or my stops. I don't know about you. That's the reason why my stops increase, chat. 100 and trust me, bro, 150 pip would have be a whole entire daily candle. But now that 150 pip, they are just a 30-minute range. Not even the hourly, not even the 4. The 30-minute range, bro. Goal, if you not see difference with goal movements, you're probably not trade goal, dog. Or you probably just start trade goal since you get volatile. But back in like 2024, gold never hit a move, so I promise you that. Never. Pan a minute candle, minute time frame with the pan a minute candle. It's our 70 pips. 1 minute candle. So no way I can't, but I never like freaking trade gold with a stop loss like this, bro. That's just crazy, dog. A VIX alone money there for credit. You know what I'm saying? Dog, SL bigger than in TP. I don't know how you do it. SL bigger than a TP. I don't know how you do it. You know, that's actually a valid question. And the reason I'm saying that valid chat because, bro, I can be honest with myself. Like this, my freaking risk to reward look crazy. That's just the truth, bro. That's just the truth. And most people not gonna know how the fuck you do that. So that's like, I feel like that's like a real question. Yeah. More to expect if you know how I do it, bro. If you see a man do something like this, stop loss and the break of the lows, you would expect a range fill. Like this week right here, so you'd expect a little week fill. So your TP would have there right here, so. Right here, so. And this week right here, so. So, if you see somebody do this chat, like, I can't get mad at the fact say you're saying I know how the hell I do this, bro. Can't get mad at that. This look crazy to like. I just show this to somebody, bro. This look crazy for real. But a lot of things behind it though. As I say, me admit it look crazy, but you have to don't look on how it look. What if a reason they behind this a stop loss? I try see la. What if a reason they behind it? It just look crazy. Market structure, like what if things are behind it, bro? Sweet. And not only that, one of the things that behind it is a high win rate. That's just one of the things them. So for example, since my stop loss huge, what people might not know is that I have a high win rate. So it's like I can even lose like 2 times in a row with a huge stop loss like this. I would have still be up in profit. Why? Because I have a crazy win rate. I think my win rate at 86% the last time I checked. I swear to God, 86%. So when you have a high win rate, it helps with a negative risk to reward, but people wouldn't know that. Then just see this. This is all them see. But one of the things that behind the chat is a high win rate. Another thing, structure, market structure. The stop loss is not just huge for no reason. Say enter a trade right there, so I'm not in this trade by the way, but say enter a trade right here, so even if price are gonna drop and we're going to push down, you would expect before price push down, we need liquidity, right? So you expect we break the highs. You see me chat, price push up, reject. When you ever see price do something like this, almost never. Something like this look more realistic. Push up, we'll break the highs, and then we'll close back into the range. So now this would be liquidity. You get me chat, after we break the highs. So that would be the idea behind the TP. You would expect O2 to get top even if price going to push down. But the stop loss though, the stop loss chat, look, sometimes gold do weird stuff. Like even though you expect the range fill, sometimes gold don't fill the range. So the idea behind the stop loss step on break a structure. See these lows, we have a low right here, we have another low right here. If price push down, now we in drawdown, cool. Even though we in drawdown, you would expect gold to do something like this. Probably range, print a fake out, we pop, sealer. We pop chat. This is how you expect. Gold freaking push up. We tap O2, and after we tap O2, then we reject. And we start break structure. I mean, no one is like gold move like this before. You see, if we push without liquidity, I bet you any money. Before we break structure, we go and grab liquidity and then push back down and break structure. Promise you I saw gold move, bro. That I just have an experience. Alright, watch. So like how we tap this level now, chat. So like we're not really tappers yet, but watch. If we break O2, cause this previous 15-minute candle close bearish, and the current 15 never push down, will push up. So this we might need a top wick. Watch and see if price break O2, any closure back below 91, we could look for sells. We could look for sells below 91. We got down towards like 79, because after a top wick, yeah, I expect price for like, now that we have liquidity, we should be able to close below. If price push up, grab liquidity. Is me. So that's the idea, chat. Like price never really break structure. Look, we have like a level right as our price. So this candle never push up. Even though you would expect it to push up and grab liquidity, so that never happen. Because gold move weird sometimes and push down. We have like rejection at 84, where price could reject from, push back up, grab liquidity, and then come back down. We have level at 51.79, the price could also reject from, push back up, grab liquidity, and then flip back. Or if left with no flip, will fall back down slowly or whatever. But it's like we have levels on the way down, chat. This is another support level right here, so stop loss huge, but we have like, would I say we have like a lot of protection on the way down where price should be able to reject from. A lot of support levels before it reaches with stops. You see me, with stops are the ultimate breaker structure. If price take out these lows, chat, close below, then the buy completely invalid. You need to go home after that. You see me? But you know, invalid until we break below this structure. So that's why I'm gonna stop so that right here. So So a whole heap of things behind it, but some never explain none of that. It look crazy for real. I can't deny that. You see me? But I'm so a goal at the chat. Let me move this. Alright, I have to go do that. Bro, I just have to do that breakdown there. I don't even know how much people ask the same question there. So I probably can just clip that and like post it in a YouTube video or post it on my gram for everybody who asks me the same question there. As I'm gonna say, I can't get mad when people ask that. It look fucked up, but it really not when I look deeper into it. But you see me? We're breaking above chat. No buys as yet, and the reason for that is I want to see how we close. Like you see this 15-minute candle, we got 5 minutes left. Yeah, we're above the range right now, but within 5 minutes this 15 could easily close respecting O2. So I'm just gonna wait to make sure we get a closure above the range and like the higher time frame, as I think the minute time frame close above, yeah, but we never even print a lower, and the current minute can go just pop. So we might as well wait for the 15. Any closures above we're good. If we close respecting, we're gonna just stay out, because as we say, price might tap this level and push straight back down and close below 91. If that happens, we could look for sales. Could look for sales if that happens. See, man, bro, I don't feel like I understand, bro. And I want more things when I do explain, like freaking, we manage risk as well. Sometimes I see me have a huge stop loss. With stop loss, like you might manage risk. This are just like, I don't know, dog. I just whole heap of things there behind the stop loss, bro. I feel like my strategy is a lot of things in my strategy, bro. In a beginner friendly. You see me? People say, yo, you have to make your strategy easy. Your strategy to be easy. My strategy, would I say easy for me, but not for a beginner. A whole heap of things, bro. Bro, may I show you like a freaking, I'm gonna see if I can find it. Hold on, child. I'm gonna see if I can find it and show you the freaking, the entire strategy. Hold on. Cause I think my mentor already posted. How am I find it again? Let me see. We have 3 minutes until we close. Hold on, child. I'm gonna see if I can find this. I'm showing you like the entire strategy in a like one place, bro. We like a strategy made up with, if that makes sense. Made up of. Click on this. Pause that. I see ya. Find it. Alright, chat. So this is DVS. So basically DVS playbook. You see me? So we have a playbook. This is basically I'm a mentor post this. Can learn it in idea, man, believe. Yeah, definitely can. And how me learn this? I'm gonna give you a little trick. I use ChatGPT. I send ChatGPT the link and make she go over it and read everything and just break it down to me. Like, you can use the voice audio, so you don't have to even read everything for hours. You can make it, you can just use AI to like read it for you and break it down for you and give you like a quiz and you answer a question then make sure you understand. AI, when you use AI, bro, you can learn 10 times faster. But look, chat, this is a playbook. Hold on. When I close, 5 minute close above, we get some rejection. My mama tell you, don't be surprised if this 15 close respecting within 5 minutes, chat. So I want to wait to see how this 15 close. But back to the playbook though. This are like, it's a playbook chat. We have playbook 1 and 2. It's a course. I don't think your dog have no course. Yeah, we not sell course. Live trading session hosted daily by Danvo. You see me with dog live stream. Dog don't sell a course. Signals. Think your dog have a signal group. And in live stream. But this I think we'll focus on chat. This I like a playbook 1 and a playbook 2, bro. We'll go on 1. This are basically Kangle. You see me like when you see me take my entries them chat, most of them are like when I usually like wait for like the setup. You see me chat. Like price action, setup and entry, bullish price action, setup and entry, and over here so bearish price action, setup and entry. So all of them are like stuff for me already know and what we currently use. You see me? But these are like what I say, these are like the least chat. That's not a hard part. Bro. The hard part at all. See all of them from unit 1, unit freaking 0, unit 2, unit 3, unit 4. You see unit 3 and unit 4? Market structure chat. Market structure and which one? Understanding, no, another one there. Hold on. Devious, another. This, bro. Reading candles backwards, bro. Fucking mathematics here, the dog. You see this chat? You have to click on it, so you click on it, bare notes. Like, reading can go backwards and fuck, bro. The shit busted, dog. But I say like, it's strategy, me understanding, but for a beginner, beginner friendly. Me can tell you that, bro, for sure. Close above pan the freaking 15. Once this 15 print a low chat, we could look for buys, but we have to print a low and then flip bullish. And that's it. When I want to see a bottom wicket print at 51.98. We can tap 51.98. We put buy stop and they can go flip. But we need 51.98 if we get top first. Looks similar to yesterday trade. GOJ, you ever try that before? You ever try read can go backwards? Like dog brain just huge, bro. You know, my dog brain like holy all of them. Like chat, me not gonna lie to you know. I'm tell you one them what I'm currently learning right now, cause me no know everything. You see like a playbook one at least. We already like know a playbook 1. This. Them are just the candles, normal, simple price action, closures, and simple. You see this me not talk about market cycles. Obviously, I have a drive, a range, and a liquidity. So, yeah. When I say drive, range, liquidity, that's basically three. When I always tell when my forward on the stream, 3 different type of market cycle chat. You have, if you're looking at this a box here, you have like a drive, you have a range where price just range, and then you have liquidity where price pop, but this are really not the move and we'll push back straight down, close back below. So this a liquidity. So whenever I'm up on goal, me actually I learn right now too. Whenever I'm up on goal chat, we usually try to identify this. What type of market cycle we're currently in at the moment. So let's see if we can identify that right now. Remember, I'm say drive, range, liquidity. So I think the last time I checked was ranging and then price breakout. I would say liquidity chat. Because remember, we did a range. This was the first breakout. If you remember, I'm telling that this was the first breakout. And now that price breakout, you see we start to get like bearish closures. Can go start to push down bearish. But I said this more likely at the liquidity phase. More likely. See if we can get like closures back below. And we could look for sales. Here's my chat. So when I say we're in a liquidity stage. What else? I'll go up on the next unit chat, but yeah. This I give a call it advanced concepts. Right, yeah, so this freaking like liquidity, reading candles backwards and entries and liquidity. Market structure. This kinda me understand this chat. We use this every day. Drive range liquidity. Market cycles. Yeah. The execution them, understanding time frames, market key levels, planning for opportunities, patience, execution. Me so far, bro. No, dog, I just see a link, my dog, or something there on WhatsApp charge you. I see I heard. Yeah, chat, so that's what I say. Well, it's traffic advantage level. Basically, wherever we have clean traffic, the advantage point. You have to have that in mind whenever we're doing execution. What else? Go up on this chat. I think it is done. No, it's not done, bro. It's like the first thing, bro. Let's watch this. Daily analysis. Start your trading day with a full analysis from higher time frame to lower time frame. Bro, just looking at this piece off, bro. So much information, dog. What the fuck? They chat, me I chat too much, dog. Exactly what I say happen. Price top, the same level, flip bullish, miss the trade. We need to stop yapping, bro. Fuck all of them. Miss the fucking trade just because me a yap, dog. But them are important. But fuck them. Fuck all of them, the dog. Shout out to Danvo. Him learn everything from. But miss a trade, dog. Could be break even right now. How much this can go push for? After we flip 46 pips, dog. That's how we're chatting cards. So we're chatting cards, chat. At the sniper rejection though. That would be crazy. I fought close. Fought close. Less than a pip away. Chat too much, dog. That. Chat too much, bro. And I go chase it still, chat. But I just be patient. You see me? Candle already push. No make no sense with chasing move now. That way. Very chatting cards though. But even though we never catch a trade, you can still learn from it, chat. Closure above, we literally wait until the candle close. Never FOMO in an idiot entry. We say yo, we are wait for 15 closure. 15 candle close above. Say yo, we are wait for this level get tapped. Since the candle just open up. So we are wait for this level get tapped. Then we go start chat. By the time we come back, your level get tapped. Candle already flip. We also already push up. So we never get a trade, but the idea play out. You see me? I can't just, like, I don't do good thing in this situation right now. The idea was a good idea. We'd have probably out this trade though, chat. I trade off of VIX, man, easy. Yeah, man, I trade VIX after stream. But it's trade crazy, dog. Master do this though, chat, cause just know when me do it, when me look on like a playbook, cause that's how we call it, you know, a Danvo playbook, DVS playbook. When me look on the playbook quick while and I look on the chart at the same time while me stream, it also help me for like remember all of them things there. So I can keep me sharper. Go, I some go fighting, but you know you have to like, whenever I can try to learn something, I have to like watch it multiple times, bro. Most likely I do that like in the early part though. I can't believe that I trade out the clean, bro. I call it a stream 12 o'clock. In the next 20 minutes. I call it a stream. Now I go past 12 chat. If I get a trade, I just say go. Still up for a week. Still up for a month. When we start stream? I think we start back stream. I'm gonna look. From we start stream, when I take a L enough from we start back. And I think we start when? I'm gonna go on this and try to find out a winner. I'm fall back like 1st of February, not if I first or from January I start back streaming. I'm in, bro. I'm gonna go on this live. Yeah, from January. So since January, when I take a L track. When I have a chase, bro, just make sure we forward tomorrow. If we not get a trade today, just forward tomorrow and follow like plan. But I'm gonna start to like realize. So I'm gonna start to apply. I like patience can be just as lucrative as actions. So whenever you take action, chat, like just be like sometime whenever you just be patient, bro. Trust me, bro. Yo, that probably all pre say, yo, if me get a trade today, I would make more money. But really, sometimes when I really saw you go, you see if you just don't trade today, I go make more money. And that might sound crazy, but I swear it makes sense, bro. Whenever you're patient. maybe a patient that can be just as freaking good as like taking action. Me actually start to implement that chat because some ideas them when me leave a stream, bro, me just not trade gold today. Worse me up. Me just not feel like for trade it, me not trade it, bro. Swear to you. Man try go crazy that area. Like in terms of following the plan, more say like if I follow the plan like the whole entire year, bro. Yeah, look, chat. You see journal right now? This is when the year start, you know. Upon the 5th of fall back actually. January 5 was the first stream. Just give me like until like a year. When I fall back December then time there. Yeah, and I see me look on the journal from January 5th, go straight down to like December, the last of December. And I gotta like see difference. I gotta see like, I gotta have a whole heap of data. I mean, I have it already, you know, but this I did like 2024. I have like data from 2024. But like, I gotta see how much we improve. I can go compare my 2024 data from 2024 go straight up to 2025. And from 2026 go to 2027. Now I gotta have a whole lot more data for like compare with each other. That go mad, dog. Just trust me, bro. Once I just stay patient, bro. Most of the days I would even have to internet trade, dog. Just like my mentor, bro. Dog. Recently, bro, dog, I get 3 trades a week on average. Still I get more than him, you know. I get like, what I say, like, basically trade every day. Cause if I not trade on gold, I trade my next account. I trade over VIX. You see me? But I talk about gold like specific though. So on gold, like, when I get a, what I say, I get a trade about like 4 times for a week. Or Sunday, I used to trade chat. Sunday, like when the market just open, most people don't know about that one the best time for trade. I jump in a farm, let's say I heard my killer. But Sunday and the best time for trade chat. Every Sunday evening I used to trade, bro. But me I'll stop do that. No more Sunday evening trading. Tell me I take this thing serious now, dog. Certain things me just filter them out. A lot of things me just filter out, bro. Just get rid of their habits, the dog. Like 4-hour resistance chat, so nah. No FOMO. Price can push, price could reject. One thing I know, this a blue line I have for the 4-hour resistance. So we'll see if price close above it, we could look for range to buys above like the 4-hour resistance. But that would have happened before 12. You see me? Got 15 minutes left. So if we can get entries before 12 o'clock, that would have been good. But if not, I just, as I'm saying, I call it a day, bro. Now I go past 12. Also, next thing I realize, like, I used to fall upon stream and take like multiple trades. I kind of filter that out as well. I only take like 1 trade per stream, bro. And that way better. Like, I make way more money than if I take fucking 5 trades or 3 trades per stream. I say earlier, bro, whenever you're patient, bro, that can be just as good as taking action, dog. Cause now I start take 1 trade per goal, and it's like way more consistent than if I take 3 trades a day. Swear to you. Oh, you smell fine. The chat, I'm gonna say we top 14, break for resistance. Hey, this could be the sellers them time. Well, I'm delete them now. Guess our new levels, price, more price sprint and more we adjust. Always adjust. That's now the new high. That's how we have a level right, so. This will be range fill right, so. I expect some rejection. That also the 5-minute candle flip. I'm gonna go by hourly. We got 10 minutes left. Some weekend shit buys where I go crazy though. That if we look for that, most likely that would be at 02. Weekend shit buys 02. 01. Yeah. But it's 5. This 15 print at top with chat, and as I can see, with like it's basically price was always able to reject from this level and fill the range minimum. So this can go just flip bearish just now and we print a low, basically fill the range. So that's why I may have this yellow line right. So this is the range we're in. Price could easily fill this range. Once we get like a closure above, we could easily continue because you can see we have like a support level right. So I talk about left, you know. If I look left, right, so we have like a support like in a midline range. So if price close above like 52.10, this bullish candle, we could still look for buys and take advantage of the wick fill. Here's in my chat because we could easily like fill the range multiple times. But would I need that for happen though? So like how price reject with top 06, they'll see if price gonna close below 06 or if we get a closure above like 09. Anything above 09 we could fill the wick again. Let me measure the wick by the way, because I don't even know how much the range is. Like a 50 pip range, 42. So that would be decent if we get a closure above 09 though. And drop down to 3, so we have this right here, so I'm gonna put this right there, so. But right there, so yeah, that'll be good. Got 8 minutes until this hourly closure. Why chance this hourly can go close bullish above? Worst case, this hourly can go like reject. I'm gonna say worst case, this hourly can go reject. You'd expect the next hourly can go we either print a lower at like 05 or 06. Yeah, or either 06 or 02, and two yellow line of markup. Basically, like say this can go close respecting like 09. Next hourly can go open up. You expect to push down. Could get some rejection from 06 or either 02. Can go flip bullish. You expect to fill the range. Something like this. But that would have been like next 6 minutes. Push up, break above, but you're not getting a closure. Smith can go finally close. I'll just avoid this chat. More like 5 minutes can go close above. before I look for entries going up towards 40 in the wick fill. And if I fill the wick before this 5 minute candle close, then GG's. Just have to wait. Look like we're both a fill the wick. But if I see pre though, like if I like pre levels, this all the candle, not the earliest minute candle close and make like range. So we are looking for buys like above 09, the other way for like a closure above 09. This close and make like range, better we just avoid that and wait for like the 5, because the next 5 we might need a bottom wick. A week entry for the next 5 minute time frame would be way better than anytime I make like range on a minute time frame. Can't even count out the sells them in the chat. Sells them. Don't go with them out. Some bro, you know, just all a pre too. Me a pre measure this. But 15 levels, 52, 50. Let me measure this by the way. So we are extra 30. It's a 10. You know what? This will be tough. It's 17. Weekend sales at 52.17 chat. That would have tough. Like basically, like if this can go, like if we don't reject, if we don't print a low, and the can just continue to pop straight up, we look for like once price break this high, you'd expect to push straight up towards 52.17. We look for take some weekend sales right, so you'd expect price print a low, even if price gonna push up, gonna need a low though. You see me? So that would have been the idea behind the sales. I don't know why my candles never have like wicks. When the dry wicks look weird. Something like that we are wait for. 5 minute close. 5 minute close now make like range push down towards 10. So much like a peep. I get an hourly candle closure in a 3 minutes shot. Next hourly candle go need a low. So wait for that. I have to make sure like before we enter buyers chat, I want to give price a chance for reject. You see me? So you're the expert is 5 minute candle for reject, enter low, tap 09, and instead of we take buys at 09, might as well we just wait like 2 minutes, cause this hourly candle gonna need a low. This hourly candle gonna need to print a low whenever next one open. So I'm gonna wait for that hourly candle the low, and then we look for get buys. And also if we don't print a low upon the hourly time frame and we pop straight up towards 17, we could look for weekend sales going down. So that's the idea. We have like Idea for sells and idea for buys. Either way. Tell you that that's true. Hopefully the price might just start range out. Let's try. We might just start range. Boss. Yo, what up, bro? Might just start range. But we got what? 10 seconds. So if we pop straight up towards 17, as I'm saying, I'll look for weekend sales at 17 levels. If price, if we push down and the hourly candle, we could wait and look for like weekend buys off the hourly time frame. Or if we don't take no weekend buys, we could like put buy stop on the hourly candle flip. But I think the sells would be more ideal, chat. If this hourly candle can just pop straight up and top like 17, weekend sells would that be ideal. But we have idea of like both buys and sells. I'm just give this like 5 minutes or so, bro. I'm gonna call it. So we'll start with print a low. We'll print a low first. And if price breaks, since we already have a high, you'd expect price to push straight down. Weekend buys at 06 would be ideal. I'm just adjust that, put that below 06. Put that right there, so delete this. That candles can go like flip bullish and like top like 17 levels. It'll have to like happen like quick though. Or even 15. That would have been good though. Cause if we struggle to go up, that would be ideal. Like if price like push up, like if we barely push up, like if something like this chat, price flip bullish and we just struggle, probably range a little bit. This I know I look for. You see me? Like if we're gonna look for weekend sales, price would have to like pop. Like once we flip bullish, I expect this candle for like pop. We get like only a few rejection, that cool, but something like this would have been more ideal. Like re-breaking lows. The sales not sales, move we can buy them from 06 because would I expect price break 06. We did have a level at 06 chart, but since this candle already print a high, since this bullish candle already print a high and we reject, we tap 06, price try for push up, but we fail. We have a resistance, right? So close back below the range. But I expect like if price like push down with top 06, is a high chance we get a closure below. So that's why I move the weekend buys. Weekend buys would have been down further instead. As 06 not valid. It can still play out, we can still easily tap 06 and reject, but that would be like a A+ setup. That would be ideal. Try. I work with 04. We can buys at 04 after we break 06. That would